Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create polls on your live on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. A Facebook poll allows users to ask questions to their audience with a predefined set of answers. Results of the poll are instantly generated. Conducting poll can provide you with a general sense of what your audience prefers. You can add poll, create poll on your live on Facebook, and in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can log in into your Facebook account. Now you can just tap on what's on your mind, and here we can start live on your account. Tap on live video. You can create poll before start the live. Here you can create poll on here. But if you want to start live first, you can also do that. Starting live broadcast, and then you can just create a poll on here. Sorry, I think there's error on my live. I will just stop it. We'll start to live again. You can tap on poll on here. You can ask question on here. For the example, I'll create like this. You can set the voting time. Now you can tap on save poll. Here's your poll. Now you can start live. So when people watch your live, they can see the poll on your live and vote for the answer they prefer to. So that is how to create polls on your live on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.